Hello guys, welcome to Stats and Facts. Today in this Excel series, we will be learning VLOOKUP, which is the most used and one of the critical function in Excel. How it works is basically it is a search function by looking for a specific data vertically across it to a table. We will be learning this more using a practical example here. If you see in the left hand side, I have an dummy table. You can see that I have the employee number, employee name, and the monthly income. Okay. So now my ask is based on the employee number, I want the employee name and the monthly income. So suppose I want based on the employee number as 1492, I want the data to be populated in the right hand side of the column. So what we usually do is I will search for the 1492, then select the data here and copy paste the data. Okay, so this is practically possible here because I have a small set of data. Now assuming we have more and more lakhs and lakhs of data here, it is very difficult for us to search for a particular number in the table and populate the data here. This process can automated end to end using an Excel function known as VLOOKUP. We will be learning how. Okay, now assume I want the data for 1494. Okay, so what I want the employee name for that. I will click on equals to, then click on VLOOKUP. Okay. Then here my lookup value is for which value we are searching the data. So that value is employee number. Okay. I will click on this, click on comma. Then we will see in which table we are looking the data for. So this is my table. I will select the table. Okay. Then comma. So I want the employee name. Taking the employee number as one, which is our lookup value, the employee name stands in column 2. So I will click on 2 comma 0 and end it here. So if you see for the employee number 1494, I have the employee name Virat being populated here. Similarly, we will do the same thing for the monthly income. Okay, we will be doing again we look up again the lookup value stands same, which is 1494. Then we will be again selecting the table array, comma. Now here in the monthly income, my column value will be 3 because starting with employee number, employee name, employee number is 1, employee name as 2, my monthly income should be 3. So click on 3, click on 0, I click on enter. So I can see here the monthly income of the data of Virat, which is 3172, has been populated here. Now assuming that we have an ask also, like we want the yearly income also. So what we can do is we can just write the I will just give the heading as yearly income. Okay, so which basically stands for monthly income into 12. Okay, close to this into 12. Okay, so here the yearly income for Virat is 38,064. Okay, now if I want the yearly income for any other employee number, let's say 1489, just click on here and everything the data has been populated here. So this is what VLOOKUP is. Now let's move to the next step. Instead of writing the employee number, let's give the user one more facility, which is basically he can use that value using a drop down. Okay, so here what we can do is we can go to data, we can go to data validation, we can click on data validation here. Okay, then in the allow one we can click on list. Okay, so in the list, the source stands for the employee number. So I will click on this and click on enter. Okay. So now my A4 to A13 has been locked, the employee number, and if I click on OK, I see a drop down here. And based on this, if I change the drop down as 1495, my data has been populating here. So that's all for today's session. Thank you for visiting Stats and Facts again. Have a good day. Bye bye.